Here we go. Hell yeah. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for. This is horrible. This work. Okay. So this would allow me to put another ground onto the battery. This is all very temporary. I'm going to put this in a metal box, but for testing purposes. Okay, next up we have now. Okay, let's test this out. That's a new one. All right, fire extinguisher is standing by. Ah, 12-volt test. Here is the reason why I built this. Test this. Okay, that's a successful test because I do not want this thing in my car. this thing out, or you just test it where it is. Works. However, that needs a lot of heat for these tiny little wires. Now, would I recommend making one of these? I don't know. They sell them. They're pretty cheap. Am I happy with this one? Well, it was able to help me test those two fans. One of them was really loud. Can't test them long enough though because these wires are super thin and those blowers create a lot of resistance. So I'm pretty sure left alone this would kind of burn its way through and then go on fire. Hey, maybe that'll be another video idea, just to see how long this would take to go on fire. That said, it is good to have a 12-volt testing device when you're taking apart an old car, so you can test these things. This obviously is not going to be the way I leave this. I'm going to build a separate box, hopefully with the new sheet metal machine. I'd like to test out the door window motors. Thanks for watching.